2023 Hyundai Tucson. The 2023 Hyundai Tucson swaggers a state-of-the-art style that stands apart among its more level-headed-looking minimal SUV contenders. That doesn't imply that the Tucson penances common sense or moderateness. It gloats both. Hyundai has adopted the sweeping strategy with the Tucson, offering a wide assortment of trims and powertrains, remembering a mixture and fitting for crossbreed, giving it expansive allure. The passage-level powertrain is a 2.5-liter four-chamber, yet the crossover and module mixture models utilize a turbocharged 1.6-liter four that is buttressed by an electric engine, a mix that gives more energy. Section-level models of the Tucson are pleasantly prepared, while better quality trims go too far from standard to superior, giving it an edge over adversaries like the Hyundai RAV4, the Toyota RAV4, and the Volkswagen Tiguan. What's going on for 2023? Following a total update for the 2022 model year, the Tucson sees a couple of bundling changes for 2023. The superior bundle has been dispensed with from the cell model, and its items have been dispersed as standard highlights to other trim levels. For instance, the all-encompassing sunroof is presently standard on the N-line trim, and the bigger 10.3-inch infotainment screen can be tracked down on all XRT manages and up. Versatile journey control, passerby discovery, and a speed limit help highlight are presently standard on all Tucson manages. Quietness white pearl replaces quartz white on the Tucson's outside variety range. Estimating and which one to purchase. In the wake of testing the Tucson's different powertrains, we think the half-breed addresses the perfect balance between execution, highlights, and cost. We recommend the Cell Comfort crossbreed trim, as it comes standard with warm front seats, vulnerable side observing, versatile voyage control, a sunroof, and a 10.3-inch computerized check show, among different comforts. Motor, transmission, and execution. A 187 horsepower 2.5-liter four-chamber will be standard and accompanies an 8-speed programmed and either front or all-wheel drive. A turbocharged 1.6-liter four self-discipline half-breed and module crossover models, which is really great for a joint 226 horsepower in the previous and 261 horsepower in the last option. All-wheel drive is standard with the electric powertrains, and both accompany a 6-speed programmed transmission. The non-mixture Tucson's presentation is satisfactory, best-case scenario, so lead-footed drivers will long for more power. At our test track, our all-wheel drive restricted test vehicle loped to 60 miles per hour in an unremarkable 8.8 seconds, which is regardless near normal for this not extremely quick class of SUVs. The more impressive Tucson half-breed and module crossover are both faster, yet don't expect the sports car-like speed increase of Toyota's RAV4 Prime from them. At our test track, our stacked restricted crossbreed test vehicle dealt with a sensible 7.1 second hurried to 60 miles per hour. While the Tucson is no games vehicle, its taking care of is sure, its guiding is sensibly fresh, and its ride is pleasing. What's most striking about the Tucson's driving disposition is the means by which peaceful and refined it feels while cruising. These characteristics provide the SUV with a feeling of extravagance that is uncommon to track down in this class.